In this video we will learn how to deposit US dollars using USDT through TRC payment channel. Click purse icon and select deposit. Change your currency to USDT. Default payment channel TRC20 is already selected. Enter amount either USDT or USD you wish to deposit. But make sure you deposit at least minimum amount specified. Once sure with amount to deposit, then select deposit button. Accept the terms and leave wallet address empty. Now on Binance, open Withdraw Crypto. Select USDT as coin. Now copy this one-time wallet address and paste it into Binance address field. Then select network as TRC20 on Binance. Please consider network fee charged by Binance. Amount you choose for your account must be same to the receive amount shown on Binance after deducting network fee. Once sure, select withdraw. It might take some time to approve. Please do not close Zero Markets wallet page until the payment is detected, otherwise wait until it automatically closes. If payment is detected, you don't have to wait, you can select return button. It may take few minutes for payment to show in your account.